If you're living in a condo or thinking about buying one, you've probably heard and potentially wondered about fan coil units. Personally, I know that when I'm working with a first time buyer client and they see a fan coil unit for the first time, they are definitely curious to learn more. Fan coil units are an essential part of the condo's heating and cooling system, and they are extremely common in Toronto condos. So, in this video, I'll break down what they are, how they work, and how to take care of them. I'll begin with a bit of a definition. A fan coil unit, or FCU, is a compact system typically located in the wall space in your condo. One bedroom suites will have one, and sometimes in larger two bedroom suites, there will be two. And each one will have its own thermostat controlling it. The unit is responsible for heating or cooling the living space by circulating air, and it works in tandem with the building's central heating and cooling system. The way that it works is pretty simple. It pulls air in from your condo. The air then passes over coils, which are filled with hot or cold water depending on the time of the year, which is supplied by the building's central system. And then a fan inside the unit blows that air back into your space, keeping you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. In order to keep them running smoothly, they do need semi-regular maintenance, but don't worry, it's pretty basic. The best way to take care of them is to change your fan coil filter every 3 to 6 months. If you leave a dirty filter in there, it will restrict airflow, which can cause your unit to work harder and less efficiently. Generally speaking, it's the unit owner that is responsible for replacing the filter, but in some buildings, the management company will take care of that job and will provide notice to residents when they will be accessing their units to do so. It's also not a bad idea to have your unit professionally serviced on a yearly basis to have the coils cleaned and the motor inspected. Just like any other piece of equipment, the better you take care of it, the longer it will last. And if at any point you notice any leaks or unusual noises, definitely call a professional at that time. The typical life expectancy of a fan coil unit is 15 to 20 years, and in most Toronto condos, it is the suite owner's responsibility to pay for the maintenance and replacement of their fan coil units. In the event that yours is at the end of its life, or it breaks down prematurely and you need to replace it, you should budget somewhere in the range of $3,000 to $5,000 for the new unit and installation. It's a big investment, but newer units are often more energy efficient, which can save you money on utilities. So that's the 411 on fan coil units, and now that you have this information, I hope it helps you feel more confident about what you're purchasing and how to properly maintain and care for your asset.